Hey, it's Steve WB, and today we're going to be installing this screen protector kit on the iPhone 14 Pro Max. It comes in a very nice little packaging box here, and what you're going to get inside this kit is you get not one, not two, but 3 different screen protectors, and you also get 3 different camera bump protectors or camera lens protectors, and you get 3 sets of dry wipes and wet wipes. And you get an installation guide as well. And you also get a removal tool in case you have to take off the old screen protector or the old camera protector. So let's go ahead and get into the installation. All right, the first thing you're gonna do is clean your phone. We'll flip it over. We'll start with the bump in the back. I think the phone is quite nice. It has a nice rigid back on it, so I'm not going to bother with a phone case, but I am going to protect the glass and the cameras. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to take one of these wet wipes and we're going to clean the cameras. Make sure they're super clean. All right, step 2, we're going to take the little microfiber cloth that they provided in each packet, and we're going to make sure everything is dry and even more clean. And then you're going to take this right here, which is just basically a sticker, and that's to make sure that the cloth left 0 lint or dust on your camera lenses. And then we're going to install the actual protector itself. This is what it looks like. You can see they have a hole here for this sensor right here. So make sure that that hole is lined up with the sensor. And then to install it, you just bend it, peel this off, and we're going to just drop it right on top. And then I like to use a little microfiber cloth there and just push it down. And there you go. Your camera lenses are now protected. Now I'm sure it's going to do a quite fine job. The one negative, I guess, is it does make your camera bump slightly larger. So it's up to you whether you want to use it or not. But there you go. Now we're going to switch over to the screen side. For the screen, it's going to kind of be the second verse, same as the first. We're going to go ahead and use this wet wipe that we used for the camera bump, and we're going to get all the finger smudges and oil off of the front. And then once we do that, we will take the microfiber cloth and we will make sure everything is nice and dry and fingerprint free. Maybe I should have powered my phone off first because it's going crazy. And then we'll take the sticker, making sure that there's no lint left on or dust on the glass. And once you've cleaned it, we're going to take the little guide here. You can see that it says top right here. So we're going to put that towards the top. And it even has the phone models on the bottom down here, so you know that you have the right one. And then we're going to take one of these tempered glass protectors. And basically what you're going to do is you're going to peel this off, put it inside the guide, and drop it on your phone. And then whenever you go to install this, there is a slight notch right here, and that's going to go to the top. We're going to go ahead and peel the back off of this. Do not stick your fingers on this, just hold it by the edges. I'm going to turn this sideways. I'm going to center this all the way in there. And just drop it. Drop it like it's hot. I just used the little microfiber cloth that was provided to kind of work it, push it down. Make sure you work all the air out from underneath. We don't need any air bubbles. I have a couple in there I'm trying to work out. You go ahead and pop this off. And there you go. Just like that, your phone screen is now protected. Super easy to do. It's nice that this pack, for less than $12, you actually get 3 sets of glasses and 3 sets of camera protectors, and should do just fine. I'm Steve WB, and I'm out.